Sound is extremely bad on your nerves and on your mental state, but the mobile isn't going to be able to pick up the intensity of it that it vibrates into your ears. Also, I've been sound sensitized because I've been listening to these mechanical sounds for 7.5 years. So it's like very nerve-wracking because you're always experiencing it, and it's mentally and physically it makes you very apprehensive, and you wonder why too. Like it's mentally disturbing to think that they're doing it consciously, that it's a program. It has to be, because it's too continual to be, natural in any way.